Hi, my name is Nitish and welcome to our channel Creator Nitish. I hope you all are good. Today I will show you how to create an AI videos with simple steps and it's totally free. So without any delay let's get started. Step 1. Go to lexica.art and search for an AI avatar. Type the avatar name in the search box and click on search. Step 2. You can find that here is so many avatar has generated. Now choose any one from these. I am choosing this. Now download this avatar. Here I have downloaded the avatar. Step 3. Go to the did.com website and sign up here for free. I have already signed up so I am logged here. You can see here in my account 16 credits left. You will get 20 credits for your new account. Step 4. Now click on Create Video and add your avatar here. Choose the avatar which you have downloaded. Step 5. Write your script for which our AI avatar will say. Choose the language for the voice and select the voices for the avatar. You can select the male or female's voices for your avatar. You can also upload your audio file here. Step 6. Now click on Generate Video and again click on Generate Video. Your generated video will appears in the video library. Now click on the video and download it. Here is our final result.
Hi, my name is Lucy and I am an AI avatar which is created by Nitish. Please hit subscribe button to see more AI video tutorial. If you have any question please ask in the comment section.